This one in particular is called the Rugby, here at 622 Sanford. Since its construction in the 1840s, 622 Sanford Street, now known as the Rugby, has served as both a place of learning and a private residence. The structure originally housed Reverend William Orr's Covington Female Seminary. Henry Bruce Jr., a Covington businessman, purchased the property for use as a family home in 1853. John Roebling, designer of the bridge that now bears his name, the suspension bridge, was invited to stay with the Bruce family in 1856. During the Civil War, Matilda Withers acquired the home, and her daughter, Sally Withers Bruce Morris, say that 3 times fast, former student in the female seminary and widow of the Confederate financier Eli Bruce, retained ownership until 1907. On April 16, 1868, the remains of Confederate General John Hunt Morgan lay in repose. The Rugby name was bestowed upon the house when the Rugby School moved there in 1898. The school closed in 1906 and the property was sold soon after. And for much of the 20th century, the building served as apartments, but it is now fully restored as condominiums.